Jaguarundi, the little wildcat that looks like an otter and has 13 ways of talking in the lush forests and grasslands stretching from Mexico to central Argentina. A peculiar wildcat roams. This small feline might be mistaken for an otter at first glance, with its sleek body, short legs, and elongated neck. But what truly sets the Jaguarundi apart is not just its unusual appearance, but its remarkable vocal repertoire, boasting an impressive 13 different vocalizations. The Jaguarundi's unique physique is a testament to nature's diversity. Unlike its more famous cousins, the spotted jaguars and robust pumas, this wildcat sports a uniform coat that can be either dark, blackish to brownish gray, or red, tawny yellow to bright chestnut. Its long, lithe body and short legs give it a low-slung profile reminiscent of mustelids like otters or weasels. This distinctive shape allows the Jaguarundi to navigate effortlessly through dense underbrush and even swim with surprising agility. While many wildcats are known for their roars or purrs, the Jaguarundi stands out as a veritable chatterbox of the feline world. Researchers have identified 13 distinct vocalizations in its repertoire, a diversity that surpasses many of its wildcat relatives. These vocalizations include 1. Purr, a soft, continuous sound expressing contentment. 2. Chirp, short, bird-like calls, often used between mothers and kittens. 3. Chatter, rapid teeth chattering, possibly indicating excitement or frustration. 4. Wah-wah, a distinctive two-syllable call. 5. Scream, a high-pitched vocalization used in aggressive encounters. 6. Yap, short, dog-like barks. These are just a few examples of the Jaguarundi's vocal range. This extensive vocabulary allows for complex communication within the species, potentially reflecting the cat's social nature and adaptability to various environments. Unlike many solitary wildcats, the Jaguarundi's extensive vocal repertoire hints at a more complex social life. While primarily solitary, these cats have been observed engaging in social behaviors that utilize their diverse range of vocalizations. Contrary to many feline species, Jaguarundis are primarily diurnal, active during daylight hours. This unusual schedule may contribute to their need for varied communication methods, as visual cues are more readily available in daylight. Their vocal diversity allows them to convey messages effectively in different contexts throughout their active periods. Territorial calls. The wah-wah vocalization is often used as a territorial call, allowing Jaguarundis to announce their presence and avoid confrontations with others of their species. Mating rituals. During breeding season, male Jaguarundis employ a range of vocalizations to attract females. These can include loud yowls similar to those of domestic cats, but with unique variations specific to the species. Mother-kitten communication. The chirp vocalization plays a crucial role in mother-kitten interactions. Mothers use chirps to call their kittens, and kittens respond with similar sounds, facilitating family cohesion in dense habitats where visual contact may be limited. Conflict resolution. In rare instances when Jaguarundis encounter each other, they may use their vocal range to de-escalate potential conflicts. Low growls, hisses, and even the teeth chattering sound can serve as warnings, allowing individuals to establish boundaries without physical confrontation. Hunting coordination. While typically solitary hunters, there have been rare observations of Jaguarundis hunting in pairs. In these cases, their varied vocalizations may aid in coordinating movements and sharing information about prey location. The Jaguarundi's rich vocal language may be key to its adaptability across diverse habitats. From dense rainforests to open savannas, these cats can convey complex messages about territory, mating availability, and potential dangers without relying solely on visual or olfactory cues. The complexity of the Jaguarundi's vocal behavior presents an intriguing area for further research. Understanding these communication patterns could provide insights into the species' social structure, cognitive abilities, and evolutionary adaptations. Moreover, it raises questions about the communication capabilities of other wildcat species that may have been underestimated. The Jaguarundi's range stretches from Mexico through Central America and into South America, reaching as far as central Argentina. This extensive distribution showcases the species' remarkable adaptability to various ecosystems. from tropical rainforests to deciduous forests, grasslands, and even semi-arid areas. Where do they live? Tropical and subtropical forests. In these dense environments, the Jaguarundi's vocal abilities become crucial. Its varied calls help navigate and communicate in areas where visual cues may be limited by thick vegetation. Grasslands and savannas. In more open habitats, the Jaguarundi's vocalizations serve different purposes. Long-distance calls can be used to establish territories or attract mates across expansive areas. Riparian zones. The species shows a preference for areas near water sources. Here, its otter-like body shape aids in swimming, while its vocal repertoire might help coordinate movements along waterways. Agricultural areas. Surprisingly adaptable, Jaguarundis sometimes inhabit the edges of cultivated lands. In these human-altered landscapes, their diverse vocalizations may help them avoid detection and navigate the challenges of living near human settlements. Adaptations for survival. Vocal camouflage. In areas where larger predators are present, the Jaguarundi's ability to produce a variety of sounds may serve as a form of auditory camouflage, allowing it to mimic other species or blend into the ambient soundscape. Thermoregulation. The uniform coat, lacking the spots or rosettes common in other wild cats, may aid in thermoregulation across varied climates. This adaptation, combined with its vocal behaviors, allows the Jaguarundi to thrive in both hot tropical regions and cooler mountainous areas. Dietary flexibility. Jaguarundis are opportunistic predators with a diverse diet. Their varied vocalizations might play a role in hunting different prey types, from small mammals and birds to reptiles and even fish. Circadian adaptability. While primarily diurnal, Jaguarundis can adjust their activity patterns based on habitat and human presence. Their vocal repertoire allows for effective communication regardless of the time of day, giving them an edge in adaptability. Conservation implications. Understanding the Jaguarundi's habitat needs and adaptations is crucial for conservation efforts. The species' ability to vocalize in various ways may be key to its resilience, but it also raises questions about the impact of noise pollution in human-altered landscapes on their communication and overall survival. Research opportunities. The Jaguarundi's wide distribution and habitat flexibility presents unique opportunities for comparative studies. Investigating how vocal behaviors vary across different ecosystems could provide valuable insights into the species' ecology and evolution. Let's look at some conservation challenges and efforts. Despite its adaptability and wide range, the Jaguarundi faces numerous challenges in the modern world. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that this unique vocal artist of the wildcat world continues to thrive. Current threats: habitat loss and fragmentation. The primary threat to Jaguarundi populations is the loss and fragmentation of their habitat due to deforestation, agricultural expansion, and urban development. This not only reduces their living space, but also disrupts their communication networks, potentially affecting mating, territorial behaviors, and mother-kitten interactions. Human-wildlife conflict. As Jaguarundis adapt to living near human settlements, they sometimes come into conflict with farmers and ranchers. Their diverse vocalizations, once an advantage, can sometimes draw unwanted human attention in these areas. Road mortality. The expansion of road networks through Jaguarundi habitats has led to increased mortality from vehicle collisions. Their low-slung profile makes them particularly vulnerable to traffic. Climate change. Shifting climate patterns may alter the Jaguarundi's habitat, potentially affecting the acoustic properties of their environment and the efficacy of their vocalizations. Conservation efforts. Protected area establishment. Creating and maintaining protected areas that encompass diverse habitats is crucial for Jaguarundi conservation. These areas need to be large enough to support viable populations and allow for their full range of vocal behaviors. Corridor creation. Establishing wildlife corridors between fragmented habitats can help maintain genetic diversity and allow Jaguarundis to move safely between populations, ensuring their complex social and vocal behaviors can continue to evolve. Research initiatives. Ongoing studies into Jaguarundi behavior, especially their vocal communication, can inform conservation strategies. Understanding how they use vocalizations in different contexts can help in creating more effective protection measures. Community education. Raising awareness about the Jaguarundi's unique characteristics, including its vocal repertoire, can foster local support for conservation efforts. This can help mitigate human-wildlife conflicts and promote coexistence. Acoustic monitoring. Innovative conservation techniques using acoustic monitoring can help track Jaguarundi populations non-invasively. By recording and analyzing their vocalizations, researchers can gather data on population dynamics, behavior, and habitat use. International cooperation. Given the Jaguarundi's wide range across multiple countries, international cooperation is essential for effective conservation. Collaborative efforts can help maintain contiguous habitats and ensure the species' long-term survival. Conservation success stories. While challenges remain, there have been some positive developments in Jaguarundi conservation. In some areas, populations have stabilized thanks to habitat protection and restoration efforts. The species' adaptability and diverse communication methods have likely contributed to its resilience in the face of environmental changes. As we've explored, the Jaguarundi stands out not only for its otter-like appearance, but also for its remarkable vocal capabilities. This small wild cat, with its 13 distinct vocalizations, represents a unique evolutionary path in feline communication and behavior. Biodiversity. The Jaguarundi's complex vocal repertoire contributes to the rich biodiversity of the Americas. Preserving this species means protecting a unique piece of the ecological puzzle. Scientific value. Further study of the Jaguarundi's vocalizations could provide valuable insights into feline evolution, behavior, and cognition. This research potential makes their conservation even more critical. Ecosystem health. As both predator and prey, Jaguarundis play a vital role in maintaining ecosystem balance. Their diverse hunting strategies, aided by their vocal abilities, help control populations of small mammals and birds. Cultural significance. In many indigenous cultures throughout their range, Jaguarundis hold symbolic importance. Preserving the species helps maintain these cultural connections. Future research directions. Vocal analysis. Advanced acoustic analysis techniques could help decode the full complexity of Jaguarundi vocalizations. This might reveal even more nuanced communication than currently understood. Comparative studies. Investigating how Jaguarundi vocalizations compare to those of other wild cats could provide insights into feline evolution and social behavior. Environmental impacts. Research into how habitat changes and noise pollution affect Jaguarundi communication could inform more effective conservation strategies. Social behavior. More in-depth studies of Jaguarundi's social structures and how they use vocalizations in different contexts could reshape our understanding of feline sociality. Conservation technology. Developing non-invasive monitoring techniques based on vocal recognition could revolutionize Jaguarundi population studies and conservation efforts. Call to action. The Jaguarundi, with its unique appearance and vocal prowess, serves as a reminder of the wonders still to be discovered in the natural world. As we face global biodiversity challenges, species like the Jaguarundi highlight the importance of preserving not just animals themselves, but also the complex behaviors and communication systems they've evolved. By protecting the Jaguarundi and its habitats, we're not just saving a species, we're preserving a living library of evolutionary adaptations and behaviors. Every chirp, purr, and wah-wah of the Jaguarundi tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the intricate connections within ecosystems. As research continues and conservation efforts evolve, the hope is that future generations will still have the opportunity to hear the diverse calls of the Jaguarundi echoing through the forests and grasslands of the Americas. In protecting this vocal virtuoso of the wildcat world, we protect a unique voice of nature itself.